In this video we are going to see embossed cross load. So I am using the cord or Maggam thread. Take a cotton thread, make a single knot. We are going to do zigzag stitch on top of the cord. Do the zigzag stitch loose on top of the cord. If you are doing tight, the cord will get flat. We want the cord to look embossed. I am doing second layer of zigzag stitch. If you don't want, you can skip this step. Make a knot on the end. Take silk thread, double thread and make a knot. We'll start embossed stitch now. First you have to cover the edge of the cord, long chain and short chain. Again opposite side, long chain and short chain. So you have to continue long chain and short chain. You can notice that one side the long chain and short chain towards downward and the other side it should be towards upward. Small chain is very important in this stitch. So now I am going to do the long chain and small chain downward, and the other side long chain and again small chain upward. So while going downwards you have to take a nice cross, then only you will get the finishing neatly. So long chain and small chain upward, long chain, small chain. If the thread gets stuck, you have to remove and undo. Don't pull the thread. It will damage the cloth and also the thread used to break. And while giving the long chain, the chain should be very close to the cord. Small chain little away from the cord. Long chain should be close to the cord. And small chain downwards, little away to the cord. Always while you are practicing, practice all the stitches in the silk thread. So if you practiced everything in the Zaree, when you are using silk thread you will feel difficult. I would suggest you to practice in a silk thread. And the long chain also you have to do it loose on top of the cord. If you are pulling the long chain tight, the cord will become flat. You won't get an embossed look. The look of this stitch is giving embossed look to the stitch. So while doing the stitch, each and every cross load should be close to each other. White thread should not be seen outside. While coming to the end, you have to cover the edge of the cord, same way how you have started initially. If the cord is moving, just adjust the cord using your needle. It may take time to get a neat finishing. Practice slowly. You can continue with small chain for the outline. You can give the outline in between each small chains so that you will get a complete finishing without any gaps. While going to the corner, give opposite side small chain and turn to get a sharp edge. So the final look of the stitch will look like this. Thank you.